Guys, okay guys, hello. It will be my first mukbang video, guys. We have Shanghai and pancake.
Ito pa lahat.
And some maple syrup.
Ito pa lahat. I-video mo lahat.
Also, this more Shanghai and then more pancakes for Joaquin, of course. I don't know where to put this.
Kain na.
So first mukbang video. Okay, let's see. Do you have a handle for my phone or something? No. Hello. I'm at Joaquin's house today and Nanay cook pancakes.
Papadala ko yung ano ni Ella po ay sa ano. Sa Lunes. May papawadala ko doon.
This is my tripod.
Siya lang dagit ito. Ha? Agmukbang da ka no? Agmukbang may Shanghai pa. Ay, grabe Niapay na, awang mo.
It's so good.
Yung,
So good. It is.
yan, siyang ka na kumain.
Hey guys, here's the lime. Do you have a handle for my phone or something?
Anong dinner natin?
I'm at Joaquin's. So good. Hello guys.
Ha?
Hello.
Sinigang?
These are good pancakes. So good. This is my tripod.
Punta na lang ako ang.
Snack.
Bang may Shanghai pa? Ay, grabe Niapay na, awang mo.
It's so good. So good. Hey guys. Here's the lime.
You put a lot of syrup? That one?
Hey guys.
Okay.
Here's the lime. Let's just make this my stand.
No,
Salt.
cannot. Oh.
Where's handle?
Yeah, yeah.
Hi. Hello. 我比较在嘴。
What?
Antay just steal my Shanghai.
Ikaw,
Tapos naman ito.
apa mo inala dyan Shanghai naman? Nyamot na. Mayroon ka, ate na nga kayo. Yakin ganyan. Oh, never mind na. Na ganun na niya ng laway.
Yak.
Baliktad yung knife. Paano hindi kayo magugutom laro kayo ng laro. Oh. Tapos mabising kayo tumanan. Tapos
Dami ng kalbong nagdaan, tila ba kung kailan lang.
nako,
Ngayon ang kalbo, dapat wag pagtawanan. Kalbo na naman, oh.
Lord.
Bessie, are you okay? Bessie, are you okay? Bessie, are you okay?
Ang cute kaya ng
baliktad. Yung knife. Ganyan Ayaw mo nung pancake, okay? Ha? Ayaw mo? Ubusin mo? How many you... Kala ko ba gusto mo?
Hey guys.
Pancake?
Here's the lime.
Oo.
Do you have a handle for my phone or something? No. Hello guys. I'm at walking today and so good. Mommy, it's pancakes. Ooh. So good. This is my favorite one.
Ang
Yeah. Wait guys. Just gonna put more syrup. Sana meron pang handle.
don't make it very sweet.
Joaquin, I don't see your ball pen. Saan mo nilagay?
It's there.
In the pencil
I'm
case?
at walking. Uy, masyadong malamig na. Ay, masakitamis na. It's in the pencil case. Lieutenant, see? It's in the pen. Nasa pinakababa ko.
Pencil.
Grabe naman yan. Paano hindi?
It's not there.
May eraser ka din yung banana.
Put you back to the maple syrup.
Ay!
Yung blue, ilagay mo din doon sa ano.
I'm almost done with this.
Ang bagno kaya da jay bangus na gito eh. Nya ti iluto nga si Dada.
Si ice gusto niya.
Ah.
Si Joaquin ang hindi. Ano? Inom ka na lang kay Joaquin ng bacon.
That's right. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.